the blessing of the two ayats of Surah Al-Baqarah, the last ayats of Surah Al-Baqarah, is that Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu is quoted to have said that in my sight there is no bigger a foolish person who does not recite these two ayats before going to sleep. Because the one who recites these two ayats, he is accounted amongst the one who is worshipping all night long. For him, the angels make dua for protection while he is sleeping. His entire sins are forgiven. So there is these two ayats, extremely powerful ayats. We must make enough. It takes less than 35 seconds once you recite them to recite these two ayats. That's how little it takes. But we just need to put in that effort to recite these two ayats before we hit the bed. And I tell you what stops us is because we still have that last tweet to check. We still have that last Instagram message to watch. We still have that last shot to get over. The day we put away our phones, the day we put away the distraction, is when we will connect with Allah before we go to sleep. We need to start doing that. If Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu is saying that that person is the biggest fool, there is no doubt that that person is a fool. So why should we be accounted among the fools when Allah is giving us this opportunity?